RESPR, measuring weather and climate information, is the science of measuring without measuring. It is referred to as the Stalker method for CFD and NWP modeling. RESPR weather climate simulation technology is based on the Stalker method. There are essentially three options to obtain weather climate information for the past to current time and into the future, which we call forecasting. Option 1, measure at the locations of interest. Option 2, interpolate or extrapolate, also a form of guesstimating from the sparse measurements. Option 3, use RESPR technology to measure or reasure. Option 1 is quite limiting, not to mention impractical and expensive. In other words, we can't go back in time and measure at a location where there were no sensors deployed previously. Similarly, we haven't figured out how to measure in the future. Option 2 introduces lots of bias, both negative and positive kind, because of the heavy reliance on sparse state variable measurements in such efforts. The bias will be further pronounced for forecasting because the available measurements are nil. Sophisticated models are used as part of option 2, but reliance on sparse measurements is the real bottleneck without the Stalker method. This leaves us with a practical way of measuring or reasuring the past and future states using the RESPR technology, which enables all the relevant underlying physical processes that constantly shape the state variables in the first place. RESPR reasuring is not a perfect solution compared to actual measurements, but is far superior to option 2, guesstimating or no measurements at all at vast unmeasured locations, as for option 1. RESPR reasuring option 3 is the practical alternative to increased predictability.